Hey guys, hope you have wonderful day. So this is second episode of creating blog using WordPress. In here we have basic template of our blog. Now we have to add menu and we have to add pages and post. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, let's add pages. So I go to pages and click on all pages. In all pages we have sample page, so I don't need sample page, so I click on trash and it goes to trash. So now I click on add new. After that, basically we have about us and contact us page for blog, so mainly we need those pages. I already have video about required pages for get AdSense, so I will link that video on description and you can find those required pages. So this example, let's create about us and contact us page. So I will create about us. About us mean about me, so I will put it as about me, and I have to create about me page. So in here I will not add lot of text. I will get dummy text and add to this content. So get dummy content, I go to Google and search dummy text. Then I go to this website ipsum.com. Then I just create this generate lorem ipsum button and it generate dummy text like this. So I will copy this text and come here and paste on here. Okay, this is so simple. Let's paragraph it like this. Okay, now I can add heading tag. So I click on this combo box and I add h2 tag here. This one may be h3 tag. So basically you can do this with this editor. Then I will add h2 again. So this is how you can customize content with this editor. So just play around with this editor. Also you can make bold, italic, and you can add list. You can make it as link. There has lot of things like this. Also you can change the colors. If you click on this toggle bar button, you will see lot of icons. So if I go to this one and click like this, it will convert to red color. So if I preview this page, it will see like this. So just play around with it and you will see awesome result. So also you can add images to this content. When we create post, I will show you that part. So after you create it, you can click on publish. Our about page are done. Now we have to create another page. That page called contact. So I click on add new button. Also you can click here and click on pages. So in here this is our contact page. So I will name it as contact. So you can use plugin for create contact form, but we can do without doing those hard stuff. You can add simple text like this. So that is, feel free to contact me directly via my email address, and after that I add little bit text like I looking forward to hearing from you. So you can modify this and create better version. So I usually use this text for create my contact form. After that, if I go to preview, it will look like this. Then I click on publish. So 2 pages are done. Now we have to create some post. Before creating post, you have to choose a niche. So let's get example as relationship. So this is relationship niche website. So I go to post, I hover on post and click on categories. After that I can create categories. So there has default category called uncategorized. So I create new category. So our niche is relationship. So I will add relationship advice. this is subcategory of our main relationship category. So actually this is sub niche of our relationship niche. So it's like a category. So I just add it and click on add new category. After that I create new category like breakup. It will be how to. Then let's add another one like breakup. Let's add another one called marriage. You can add unlimited categories like this, but keep short though your categories. And yeah, also let's add another one. This is last one. It is dating. Okay, brothers and sisters, so now it's heavy rain. By the way, I hope you heard me. So now it's time to create post. So I go to Earl post and something happened. No, it's working, and there has one default post. So I just click on trash and it go to trash because we don't need that post. So now we have to create our new post. So I click on add new. Let's put our title as first date, advice for first date. I just add the dummy text and I can make paragraphs like this. Always keep short paragraphs and it will help to easily understand your content to your users, and they will love to read content with short paragraphs. Okay, now click on like this. Actually I have video about how to create SEO friendly article, I mean on page SEO. I will put link on description. So if you want to rank your website on Google or rank your article on Google, you must have to do SEO, on page SEO and off page SEO. But in here I am not going to talk about those things. By the way, let me make this something look nice. Okay, now we can add some images to our content. To get images you can go to Pixabay. So I search Pixabay and I go to Pixabay website. After that I search dating. Then let's add this one as our image. So I will download it. So when you download the images, always download copyright free images. I already have video about how to download copyright free images. So I will put that link on description. I think I have like more than 100 videos, so you will get lot of information if you prepare those videos. By the way, I press enter and I click on this add media button. After that I drag and drop that image onto this media area. After that I click on insert first, then I click on the first, then I click on edit and I set size as full size and update it. Okay, we can add few images for this post, but as example this is good, and I click on preview. Okay, now our article looks like this. So now our basic article is done. Now we have to add some other option. First one is categories. I think you remember the category. So this is our niche relationship, and we talk about dating niche. Dating is a sub niche of relationship category or relationship niche. Okay, now this is a dating, so I select category as dating. After that this is also relationship advice, so I tick as relationship advice too. After that I have to add featured image. Click on here and click on this image. After that click on set featured image, then I can publish it. So this is the basic information about creating post. So I already have videos, so I will put link on description so you can easily find the way to create post. This is our first post, and I will add few other posts. And okay guys, I create 7 posts or 7 articles. So if I go to my home page, website home page, I will remove those pages because no longer need those pages. So it will show like this, but in our demo it's good look more than this, so we have to fix it. In next video I will fix it, but for this video we have to create only menu, because we are ready. I show you how to create pages and how to create article or create post. So to change our menu we have to go to appearance and menu. In here we have to create new menu, so click on create a new menu. If they already have a menu, you can modify that menu. So in this example I will create new menu, so this menu called main, and click on create menu. After that I have to add display location of this menu, so this menu is primary menu. And after that I have to add pages to this menu, so pages, there has only 2 pages, so I click on pages and tick those both pages and click add to menu. After that I have to change the position of menu item. After that I don't need to add any post to my menu. Then I go to category, so I can add those category to menu. So I will add relationship advice, breakup, marriage and dating as my menu. Okay, now I can create sub menus. So if I want this dating as a relationship advice sub menu, I only need to drag it and drop it like this, so it will make a sub menu, or it will convert to sub menu. After that let's add how to on here, and okay, breakup, let's add marriage to here. And so this is my menu, and I click on save menu. After that I go to home page and refresh the page. When I refresh the page I get beautiful menu like this. So if I hover relationship, it will show dating and marriage as sub menu. So I need to change this position, so I will put contact and contact in here. So I click on save menu and I refresh again. Voila! So it's great. So if I click on relationship advice, it will show a relationship advice on this page. If I click on how to, it will show posts that related to that how to category. So this is really awesome. So this is our second episode. In third episode I will show you how to fix this home page. Actually now we are almost complete, so I will see you in next one. Bye bye.